Lay out the 3 straight stadium wall sections on your table. Have the 4 connectors ready. These will hold the sections firmly together. Be aware the trusses with the 3 upright lips are in the middle segment. And make sure they are facing to the back. Arrange the 3 wall sections end to end in a straight line. Make sure the ends are flush so they will fit together evenly without gaps. Use all 4 connectors to secure the parts tightly. Slide or snap a connector onto each joint between the sections. Press firmly so the connectors lock the sections together without wobbling. Place the Subbuteostadium stands on top. Once assembled, the Subbuteostadium stands can be placed securely on top of the connected wall.